Hello everyone! Today I want to share a simple yet effective folk remedy. Just one bitter melon and 1 clove of garlic per week, if used correctly, can help lower blood sugar, cool the liver, reduce blood fat, and support heart health naturally, without medication. It may sound like an old wives' tale, but studies have confirmed bitter melon contains compounds that help lower blood sugar and cholesterol. Garlic has antibacterial properties that support vascular and heart health. Why are these 2 ingredients so powerful? How should you use them properly? Watch the video until the end to understand the correct usage, dosage, and full benefits. If you find it helpful, comment 1 below. If you need further clarification, comment 0. And don't forget to subscribe to the Live Well Everyday channel. Let's begin. 1. Lowering blood sugar. Natural support for diabetics. Among natural foods for managing blood sugar, bitter melon and garlic stand out thanks to rare, scientifically proven compounds. Bitter melon, also called bitter gourd, contains 2 powerful compounds, carantine and polypeptide P. Carantine stimulates the pancreas to produce natural insulin, helping regulate blood sugar. Polypeptide P acts like a plant-based insulin, offering a gentle and safe blood sugar-lowering effect, especially for type 2 diabetes. Garlic's key compound, allicin, has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. It slows the conversion of starch into sugar, thus preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Allicin also improves insulin sensitivity, helping the body use sugar more efficiently and preventing insulin resistance, a major cause of type 2 diabetes. When combined, bitter melon promotes insulin production and balance, while garlic enhances insulin use and limits sugar absorption. Together, they form a powerful natural combo for those in early-stage type 2 diabetes or those managing it without medication. Note: avoid overuse or taking it on an empty stomach, as it may lead to low blood sugar or stomach irritation. Use consistently in the right dosage, paired with a healthy diet. 2. Lowering blood fat and bad cholesterol. Natural heart protection. High blood fat, especially elevated LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, silently increases the risk of arteriosclerosis, high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Bitter melon and garlic are natural ingredients that can help regulate these levels effectively. Bitter melon is rich in antioxidants and bitter saponins, which reduce LDL cholesterol, the type that clogs arteries. It helps clean the blood and relieve pressure on the heart, lowering the risk of arterial plaque. Garlic shines again thanks to allicin, which reduces triglycerides and LDL while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Allicin also mildly dilates blood vessels, enhances circulation, and reduces the risk of clots, factors that contribute to strokes and heart attacks. Used together, bitter melon and garlic not only lower cholesterol, but also improve circulation and heart health. This makes them ideal for middle-aged or older adults, those with a history of high blood pressure or chest pain. Tip: for best results, follow a low-sodium diet, limit red meat and animal fat, and include light daily exercise. When used properly and consistently, this duo can serve as a natural remedy to keep your heart strong and vessels clear. Just 1 bitter melon and a clove of garlic, used properly and consistently, can naturally lower blood sugar, stabilize the heart, clean the blood, and reduce cholesterol levels, lowering stroke risk. If you've ever used bitter melon or garlic for health support, or if you're unsure how to use them, leave a comment with 1 if this video helps, or 0 if you'd like a clearer explanation in the comments. And dear friends, if you find this content helpful, please subscribe to Live Well Every Day so you never miss out on simple, effective health tips. 3. Liver detox and lowering liver enzymes. This is one reason many people use bitter melon and garlic weekly. They help detox the liver and reduce liver enzymes, especially helpful for those who drink alcohol, eat irregularly, or have mildly elevated liver enzymes. The liver is the largest organ in the body and our natural detox factory. When overworked, due to fatty foods, alcohol, long-term medication, or poor sleep, liver enzymes rise, liver cells get damaged, leading to fatty liver, hepatitis, and chronic fatigue. Bitter melon has cooling and detoxifying effects. Its compounds, especially saponins and flavonoids, protect liver cells from free radicals, reduce inflammation, and enhance liver detox function. Its antioxidants relieve oxidative stress on the liver, helping lower enzyme levels naturally. Garlic plays a crucial role by activating liver enzymes, boosting fat metabolism, cleansing the blood, and speeding up toxin breakdown. Its antibacterial properties also protect the liver from harmful microbes. Combined, bitter melon cools and nurtures the liver while garlic detoxifies and protects. Used properly and regularly, they help restore liver function, ease fatty liver symptoms, and stabilize liver enzymes, ideal for drinkers or those with a history of mild hepatitis. Note: even natural remedies should be used in moderation. 2 to 3 times per week is enough for liver rest and recovery. 4. Digestive support. Relieve bloating and constipation. Improve appetite and sleep. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall wellness, yet many middle-aged and elderly people suffer from indigestion, bloating, gas, constipation, or irregular bowel movements due to low fiber intake, inactivity, or age-related gut decline. Bitter melon and garlic can significantly support digestion when used properly. Bitter melon is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting bowel movements, softening stool, and aiding natural detox. Its cooling effect soothes the intestines, relieves internal heat, and reduces mild colitis. Its mild bitterness also stimulates bile and digestive enzymes, speeding up fat digestion. Garlic, in addition to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects, balances gut flora. Allicin suppresses harmful bacteria while encouraging beneficial microbes, improving digestion and reducing bloating, light diarrhea, and common gut issues. Together, bitter melon promotes gut movement while garlic protects the microbiome. This supports better appetite, lighter digestion, and restful sleep. Note: those with sensitive stomachs or ulcers should use cooked, not raw versions, and avoid drinking fresh juice on an empty stomach. How to use stir-fried bitter melon with garlic. This is a simple, easy-to-make, and easy-to-eat dish that brings surprising health benefits, especially suitable for older adults, people on a diet, or those with chronic conditions. You only need 1 fresh bitter melon and 1 small clove of garlic. Choose a bitter melon that is still green, with smooth skin and few seeds to reduce bitterness. Wash it, cut it in half, scoop out the white inner part, and slice thinly. Soak the slices in lightly salted water for about 15 minutes. This step helps reduce the bitterness and softens the flesh, making the dish easier to eat and better for digestion. Crush or finely mince the garlic to release allicin, the compound known for its anti-inflammatory, digestive supporting, and blood cleansing properties. Add a little cooking oil to a pan and gently heat it. Sauté the garlic until it turns light golden and releases its fragrance. Then quickly stir-fry the bitter melon over medium heat. Season very lightly, just a pinch of salt or a few drops of fish sauce. Avoid using MSG or processed seasonings. Stir-fry for only 3 to 5 minutes, just enough to cook through, but still preserve its natural medicinal qualities. This dish should be eaten 2 to 3 times a week, preferably at lunch or an early dinner. It helps cool the body, balance blood sugar, reduce bad fats, support better sleep, and enhance digestion. Especially for those who can't handle the bitterness of bitter melon juice or have sensitive stomachs, this cooked method is a safer and more effective option. As long as you use it regularly and correctly, this humble dish can become a valuable home remedy right in your kitchen, helping your body grow stronger each day. If you found this content helpful, please leave a comment with 1 to show your support. If anything is unclear, comment 0, and I'll explain further in the replies. And don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, so we can all live healthier, happier, and longer lives together.